Monty with Dent Science, about to PDR a dent in a brand new Camry. I was going to glue pull the majority of this and then fine finish it with a tool, but after cleaning it, you have these small scratches throughout the center. So I do not want a chance snatching any of this paint off. So I'm gonna work all of this with a tool. Just wanted to give a visual aid here for the metal transfer. It's bulging down in this area here. It's bulging upward. That metal goes in, pushed in, it's got to go somewhere. So it transferred upward, creating this crown here you see, and down here. This is the weld bead right here. That's why it's real prominent in that area. I'm gonna tap some of this down here and here before I do any pushing. Get behind there, probably do a little bit of pushing and tapping while I go, so it lets up and releases naturally. We'll see how it goes in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm here. I've got some of this up, some of the crowning knocked down, and some of the body line worked up. I just wanted to let you see the middle area. I've got a lot more to do with it, but the majority of that area is still low. Just wanted you to see the process, or the middle way ground. Still a lot more to go. Monty Joyner back here with Dent Science, showing the finished product of the dent repair. Tap down the crown, both below and above it. Rebuilt the body line with a tool. Did not use any glue, no access. So I ended up having to make an access point. As you see, plugged it up with a manufactured grommet. Owner wanted to save the paint, the original manufacturer's paint, which is the most durable, versus going a body shop route. More economical and faster. Thanks for watching.